more coal, no more oil.
No more coal and no more oil.
Keep the carbon in the soil.
Keep the carbon in the soil.
No more coal and no more oil.
No more coal and no more oil.
Keep the carbon in the soil.
Keep the carbon in the soil. We are unstoppable. Another world is possible.
We're the generation that are actually going to be able to do something about this, because we're the ones that have the rest of our lives, so we're going to be paying the price for everything that's happened the last couple of decades and, well, centuries. You know, there is no other planet, as people are saying, and, you know, if we destroy this, you know, the human race is going to go extinct. We're doing it with all the other animals. We're eventually going to come. We're going to go extinct if we don't do something about it, so we're destroying our own human race.
We need to act now, because we may not have another chance. If we don't act, then it's our future and we may not have a good world to live in. If we don't keep the global warming below 1.5 degrees, then it could be too late to reverse it, what we've done and what we continue to do.
It really is going to affect us. It won't affect adults or older people, but it will be affecting us the most.
And our children and our children's children. So we really feel like we need to do something now before it's too late.
I'm here today to show the politicians in the world that us kids do care about climate change, and we know that they're dealing our future. And I'm doing this because I care about the environment, and I also want to show other children around the world that we're able to strike, no matter how old, how young, we're able to do it. And we have to remember that it's really the sea, the nature, all of that. We can't live without most of that. And without trees, we can't breathe. Without loads of animals, just things won't happen. Things around the world just won't work anymore. And after a while, we'll go extinct along with all the other animals in the world.
I think we've all seen that alarming IPCC report on how long we have to stop irreversible climate change. It's 11.5 years now. And so for young people like myself, and even younger people in first year and sixth class, that's their entire life ahead of them. That they see in such a brief time, that entire life that could be irreversibly changed if we do not act. The whole crazy thing about this, though, is we know what we need to do to stop irreversible climate change. We know the actions we need to take. We know what technology we need to use. We just need to do it. And at this stage, what we're calling for is for these to be implemented as soon as possible. Because the biggest danger for us, for climate inaction, for climate change to actually come about, is for the delayers, for the laggards, to actually hold us back from making the change in the time frame that we need to make it in.
Daíl!
Listen, listen, listen!
Listen, listen, listen!
Climate action now!
Climate action now!